Okay, here we go. And let's see, let's go with that and that. Alright, actual beginning. My squeaky chair. Hi everybody, my name is Rainer. I like to build stuff. I haven't done this in a while. So today we are building the Beak Stinger G. It is an AR chassis. Yep, AR chassis. I think I'm gonna make this body kit the first one I actually spray paint or paint. So that'll be interesting. So this is my first time building this car, which we will see is true. So I got my blade. Here's the body. The sticker sheet. Like I said, this is going to be the first car that I want to paint the body. So we're going to see how that goes. We got wheels. We have our stuff. The body. The AR chassis, whatever, the rims, and these, and the very important thingy. These instructions I won't need because I'm just gonna have them scrolling along the side and I'll be looking at that. So we have all our stuff. Let's open everybody first before going to the next step. Let's see. Put that out the bag. Get these out. I haven't been able to record a video in a long time because of my work schedule, but every now and then I find I have enough time to do so, such as today. So, we're gonna do a quick build. I say quick because I'm not going to put the body together, or the shell. We're just going to put the chassis and all that stuff together. So, that's definitely won't need that. I have better grease. So let us arrange everything. Because I'm a nitpicky person. I like seeing everything. So, we're going to take a few minutes, yeah, we're going to take a few minutes to do the things that we need, at least to get everything in order. And since my last video, I got a few extra things to help me with my little addiction of these cars. Alright, so there we go. What do I need next? I need a screwdriver. And my chair has arthritis. I need a new chair. Oh, there we go. So I need to get my tool set. I said I got some new things to help me with my little addiction, right? So there's one. Actually, I have a whole tackle box of stuff. That's two. It's three. And then there's another set somewhere out near me. But think I'm gonna put any option parts on this car. I don't think so. So we're not gonna use this. At least for now. We're not using this, so I can put that away. Definitely need this. Because of the screwdriver. I don't know if I'll put the bumpers and all that stuff on. I don't know yet. I don't know yet, so I'll figure that one out later. And all the screws and all that stuff. Yeah, I don't know. I really don't know if I'll be putting weights on it or different rollers. I don't know yet. We'll see how I feel after I build this one straight out the box. So we just need the screwdriver for now, and that's all I'm gonna use. So let's see. We got these, right? These are the parts that we need. We have an engine and all that stuff, all the standard stuff that comes with every mini yoku thingy, right? Yeah, we have all that stuff, but we don't have, because I don't have the option parts, I don't have the little golden pieces right below the X's. I don't have that. I don't have the, obviously, the X's. And there's like 4 sets of screws in a square fashion. I don't have that either. But majority of the time, this is the actual stuff that comes with it in that little bag. So, moving on, we got that. We got that. Alright, so this, dang, I feel so out of it. I have not built a model in a long, long time. Or one of these cars in a long time. Anyway, let's go ahead. Do that, take that off, shave this, make it smooth. Alright. We're gonna need the option parts too. So we will need, who do we need? We need, whoa, hold up. Did I, how big is this image? Oh, okay. Man, I forgot to resize this. Hold on. I am so sorry. I thought I was much more ready than this. It appears I'm not as ready as I thought I was. That's okay. That's okay. Edit on the fly. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Alright. We're gonna need... Which one? Like, which one? Okay. We'll need this piece and this. This will go through. And how many of these do we need? Just one? You know what? I know the instructions are scrolling over here. I'm gonna look over here too, so I can like go through it a little bit faster. But all the instructions for the AR chassis, MS chassis, and all that stuff, they are the same, so I'll be using those images for those respective cars and all that stuff. But this is what I'm gonna do. I have my instructions here on this side. Here, right? We are on step number 3, which is exactly the same, which is scrolling over here. So, here we go. We will need a 8, which is this, this piece. Where are you? Where are you? Focus. That piece. Right? With, if you look at the picture carefully, if you look at the picture carefully, it shows that little nub. Where is it? See that nub right there on the bottom? That little notch? That thing is pointed out. So it goes here. That nub is pointed outward. If I could just get this piece in, that would be great. Hey, what side do? Okay. That's proving to be a little difficult right now. That's okay. Just like that, right? So the piece just fell apart. It's totally fine. We can laugh at that. It's all good. So it looks like that. Right? That little nub mark is pointed out, and all of that is in. Cool. Next, take our chassis. And it will go. Am I looking at this in the wrong direction? Yes, I am. This goes here. If I can find the hole, there we go. Like that. Cool. See it? That goes in there like that. And this will hook and then snap. Cool. Now, we will take our wheels, or our side thingy, our wheels. Well, not the wheels, but the tire, what are these called? The rollers. That's what they are, rollers. Take the rollers, clean them up a little bit, because we don't want ugly stuff when this thing runs on the track. We don't want it bumping and being ugly. But then again, I'm not racing it, but I still want them to look pretty. So I don't know if you want it like that, but I do. So we're gonna have it like that. I do have a track. I bought a track, and I did not know those things were huge. So that was pretty funny. But we're gonna take this, that, need one of these, and this will go on the second hole, the bottom one, right here at the bottom. This one. Go there. Let's go ahead and put that in. Cool. Take another one. The thing I like about this tool is magnetized. Where did I get this tool from? I got it from my starter set. I bought a starter pack. I think it was called Blast Arrow, I think. Was it Blast Arrow? Was it Blast Arrow? Yeah, Blast Arrow was my starter pack, and it came with the tools. So So it came with the magnetized screwdriver. That was pretty cool. If you don't have a magnetized screwdriver, I suggest getting one. It'd be awesome. It helps a whole lot, especially with all this small stuff you gotta do. Yeah. Alright, so for the back, it's gonna be the very back hole. This one right here, the corner. Goes in there. Put that. They gave us, the kit came with 6. It came with 6 wheels, or 6 rollers. And as of right now, I don't know where those 4 other ones will go. It's totally fine though. But I'm gonna go with that. Take this. Uh oh, hello. Okay, that all fell apart. That's messed up. Super funny. Yay, I'm messing up. Yeah. It's fine. It's all good. It's all good. Let's see. There we go. No, do not fall apart. Alright, cool. Yay, it works. It works. So we got that. We're finally done with step number 3. It spins, it turns, it turns. That's installed. Right? You see it? That part is installed. Now, on with step number 4. Finally. Alright, let's see. Where am I? Where am I? We're gonna need a big yellow piece, which will go right there. Right, you see it? It just falls right in there, which will also go here. Inside of there to look like that. Cool. So we have this end here. Alright. And then this end up here. Cool. Alright, so that is that. What is next? Oh, hey, wait a minute. Oh, that's why they gave us 6, because there's one on the bottom. Wait. Did I just mess up? Like, did I just mess up? I believe I did mess up. Oh well, let's keep going. 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 I'll fix that later. Okay. If you've built this model, or if you've built any AR chassis, you should already know I did these upside down. I did these backwards. So this is most likely on the top here. And yeah, but I'll fix that later. I'll fix it later. Don't worry about it. Don't yell at me through the comments if you do. On to the tires. Here we go. That. I should do a video where showing how long it takes me to do customization as far as parts, like adding parts, swapping out parts, I should do a video on that. That would be interesting. Cool. That's the end of that. Let's get the tires on. Now, if I remember correctly, because I haven't put these together in a long time, so if I remember correctly, one of the spoke thingy, this thing, one of these is bigger than the other. Yep, one of these is longer than the other. See it? Cool. Alright, so take this. Okay. Take that. Put that in there. I'm doing that so wrong. I know I'm doing it wrong. But we need these 4 pieces right here. Now I know you can replace these with like the bearings, so it runs a whole lot smoother. But I don't have any of those. Well, I have one set of bearings, but I'm not sure if this is the car I want to use it on. So for right now, I'm just going to use the stock thingies. Stock bearings. Alright, here's the important part. The rod goes through the hole and through there. Through both of them. Hello? Go through. Are you gonna go through? Hello? There you go. All the way through. And I got a message. Anyway, so that goes through. That goes through. All the way through. Damn it. Alright. So, the long ones go in front, so these ones go here. And the short one goes in the back. So, hello. Now, I know there's a right way and a wrong way to put these tires on. I haven't figured that out yet. So what I do, I just press from both sides. Evenly press from both sides. Cool. So now that that's in, and it turns, so when I spin the wheel, the shaft turns. Also, the one on the back turns at the same time. So, next, put these on the back. Hey. What the heck? There we go. That and this. And that goes through. If it would go through, that'd be nice. Thank you. Go. So we got that, same thing, even pressure on both sides. Cool. So everything turns at once. Sweet. Alright, so that's that. You can finally go on to the next step, which is step number 5, which we just did that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so step number 6. Step number 6. Thingy here. Alright, cool. The engine stuff. So let's take this. Let's go ahead and clean that one up. Yeah. Let's clean that up. This. Alright. So what do we need? We need this. Which will go here. And we're gonna hear a snap. Little snap. There we go. Stays. Next. There. And a little snap. There we go. Cool. So you have that. And that's the top. Right. Next is the motor. So we have the motor, we have the generic motor, and we have this pinion thingy. I believe that's what it's called, a pinion. It's a little gear. Easy to lose, don't want to lose that. So this goes here. But push it down on the table slowly to make sure it's flush. See how focus camera. Focus. You see how it's not flush yet? So keep pushing. See it? Not quite yet. Just a little bit more. There we go. Just like that. Now it's flush with the thing. Cool. Next step is these copper pieces here. Touch this. Touch those. So just like that. Cool. It snaps. It's good. Next one. And that. This is, oh my gosh. Man, I really thought I was ready with these pictures. It turns out I am not. What the hell? Man, this sucks. I'm doing a live edit of a video. And let's make it that big. Stay. Alright. Step number 8, we're going to put the engine in. Engine goes sideways. Pinion goes first, inside here. And then this, the rest of it, should just fall right in there, just like that. Cool. Little test to see that everything is rotating the way it's supposed to. It does. That's good. So heck? You just fit, are supposed to fit. And there you go. It's gonna snap. Should snap down. There we go. Snap down is good. Alright. Alright. Next. Man, that took forever. Step number 9. Hey, I said number 9. Dang it. Step number 9. Here we go. Wow. I totally was not ready. I thought I was ready with these images. Dude, these are so huge. Damn, what the hell? Okay, hold on. I am so sorry. I should have planned this one out much better, which I did not do. Well, at least you get to see what how I do stuff. Alright, let's see, let's get this here. And let's go with that. Is that, nope. Which one is this? Okay, so we're not there yet. We're on step number 9. Man, this is, ugh. Okay, step number 9. Get what fell. Okay, step number 9. This will go where exactly? Oh, here. It will go here. That. Oh. Yeah, right? Ow. Headphones. Okay. Hit the on-off switch. Which will go... What? Like what? Where? How? How do you do that? Is there something I'm missing? Oh. This way. So, this way. Okay. Okay. Off. Okay, that makes sense. It's good. Alright. That is step number 9. So now, step number 10 is that. Man, I feel so weird. Next time I make a video, I'm gonna make sure all the images are sized properly, because this is... ugh. It's not good. Poor planning. Anyway. This will go this way. I do hope. Yeah, it does. Okay, so there's a corner that goes in first. Oh, I see it. This corner right here should go in first. Everything else should fall into place. Should. There we go. Snap. Oh, snap. Alright. Then, finally, with image number 11. Where's number 11? What's number 11? Oh. Okay, so. Do I not have that image? Really? 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 Oh, no, I do. No. Wait. Yeah, I do. Where's that picture at? Where's that picture at? What the hell? Where are you? Where are you? Take that picture out. Take that picture. Oh, there it is. Man. Oh, such poor planning on my part. Damn, I suck today. That's all good. Anyway, we got, this is the, what is this? This is the, I guess, is this the brake? No, that's not the brakes. Brakes are like spongy things, so I don't know what this is. It might be a brake, like a pseudo type of brake. But anyway, we're gonna put it on anyway. And these are these two. I think I know what this is. This is a brake. It doesn't have the padding, which I have a lot of brake stuff. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how I feel about this build after I complete it. That's when I felt weird. Put that. I'm not going to put the batteries in because I'm just going to do that later. So, go with number 10. Alright. Let's get the cover on. Yeah. Let's see. Cut this off. Take this out. Clean that little nub because I don't want it sticking and messing anything up. This nut board off. This nut board off. Alright. So that should just click. If it does, like it should just go in. There you go. Like that. Alright, so this is the bottom. Okay. So removing the battery cover. Use that. Pushing forward. Okay, cool. 1 and 2. Alright, cool. Alright. Something is not sitting right. But it's all good. Next, we got the body, but first, let's finish putting the rollers on top, because that's just bugging me so much that I don't have rollers on top. So, at least in the back. So, the back has a double roller. Front does not have a double roller, but if I modify it, it's going to have rollers everywhere. So, with just stock building, we have that. Cool. And that is, which is, come on, there you go, yeah. Cool. That will go here. There, just like that. So, now, if I remember this piece right here. This is for the body kit, or the body. So, the body goes on top, this will go here and lock it in place. Right, yep, there, lock in place, and it would look really cool. But like I said, I'm going to take this body and I'm going to paint. Yeah, I'm gonna airbrush this. See how it goes. So, minus the body. Here is the completed Beak Stinger G. And that's going to be it for this video, at least for this part. So, part number 2 is going to come later at a later day. So, with that, that's for the body. This is for something else. There's the sticker sheet. I am going to use the stickers. I'm going to paint the red on this. So that is the Beak Stinger G. My name is Rainer. I like to build stuff. This is my first video, I believe, for this year. And you know, it's been fun. And I'll see you on the next one. Alright, bye-bye.